Hi guys. Hey, I'm going to make yogurt. அதாவது நான் வந்து இன்னைக்கு வந்து தயிர் தான் பண்ண போறேன். என் ஒய்ஃபுக்கு தயிர் பண்ணி காமிக்க போறேன். அதான் இன்னைக்கு வீடியோ. அது இல்லாம நாங்க வந்து we moved to new house, so we got a new fridge. We are so happy. I've been messing with the refrigerator. But yeah, that's today's video. I'm going to make a yogurt. I'm going to show how to make a yogurt for my wife. Making homemade, it's so much beneficial. It can be more cheaper, of course. Like, you know, when you're buying yogurt from stores, it's so much chemicals. You know, when you're making, you don't find any chemicals other than yogurt and fresh bacteria or live bacteria. It's really good for your guts. I used to make kombucha, but today I'm going to show my wife how to make a yogurt. I have here the clay pot. So this is really good.
Wow.
நம்ம ஊர் சைட்லலாம் இது மாதிரி தான் தயிர் வந்து பண்ணுவாங்க. எல்லாம் தயிரில் பானையில் போட்டு தயிர் வச்சு எடுத்து வருவாங்க பாட்டிலாம். வாங்க உள்ளார எல்லாருக்கும் காட்டுறேன். இங்கே வருங்க, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இங்கே உள்ளார ஆப் இருக்கு. ஃப்ரிட்ஜுக்குள்ள உள்ளார போயிட்டு நோ அப்ளிகேஷன். ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து இப்படி போயிட்டு இங்கே போனீங்கன்னா இல்லை இங்கே போனோம்னா, ஸோ இப்படி போனோம்னா ஆப்பு கீழே வரும். இங்கே போயிட்டு என்னென்ன தேவை, சில மியூசிக்கு, இன்டர்நெட்டு ஃபுல்லாக ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஐஹார்ட் ரேடியோ இருக்குது. Samsung TV, வேணா உங்களோட Samsung TV. If you have a Samsung TV, you can connect here as well. Do you know that, baby?
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, my wife is the one.
I was reading about all that.
Oh, view inside.
View inside.
Oh, view inside. Just click here. So, then show again, confirm. So this is our fridge is messy like that.
You can see exactly what is inside the fridge.
Okay, let me open it inside. So this is what we have: beans, eggs. My wife made a pondu. Sombe. She's have here African food, and I have the main thing I need. I bought homogenized or whole milk from Costco, so I'm going to make 1 gallon of yogurt. This is Greek yogurt, plain. This is going to be my starter yogurt. It says non-fat yogurt. Oh, another thing. Let's remove this one.
The only thing about this fridge, you can play music. You can do a lot of stuff. It's really cool. You can play YouTube videos. Oh my God.
Okay, I'll leave that one alone here. Okay, let's make cooking. Oh, I want to show you guys this one. This is usually for cereal. You know, you put the cereal here and press this one, and your kids can have how much they want. But I want to make it for rice, so I don't have to teach how many cups you have to put it. So one press is going to be make the same cup. I'm going to set it up. So before that, let me put the milk. Maybe you want to say something here?
Hi everyone. So yes, Ram already went over with you guys here our new kitchen. I'm so excited. There's gonna be a lot of cooking here. Yeah, he's gonna show me how to make yogurt. My grandma knows how to make a good one. I never attempted to do it, but today Ram is gonna show all the steps from scratch. So yep.
It's really easy.
Yeah.
So making yogurt, you guys all know, you know, I used to be a chef. It's really easy process. It's not hard thing. So I have a milk. It says homogenized. I think it's a process. I have a pot here. As you can see, we got a nice pot. Let me turn on the pot first. The previous, our oven was electric. I hate electric, but now guys, this is more like a gas. I love gas stove.
I like it too. This is like you can really like minimize the fire. The other one was so hard. It was so headache. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So I put you know, it's a clean pot. There's the water is gonna go away. You know, I'm going to put some milk. I want to make the whole gallon. ஸோ இவ்வளோ நாளாக என்னோட வீடியோ வராததுக்கு காரணம், நான் வந்து இப்போ தான் வந்து புது வீடு வாங்கியிருக்கேன். லைக் புது வீடு கட்டினா ஒரு ஆல்மோஸ்ட் இந்த ப்ராசஸ் எல்லாம் 5 months ஆச்சு. இந்த வீடியோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பார்க்குறீங்கன்னா, நாங்கள் வந்து பிளிண்டியன் கப்பல் என்னன்னா, என் ஒய்ஃப் வந்து ஆஃப்ரிக்கன், நான் வந்து இந்தியன். ஸோ அதில் வந்து பிளிண்டியன் கப்பல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ எங்களுக்கு வந்து 3 குழந்தைங்க இருக்குது. குழந்தைங்களாம் வந்து நாங்கள் காட்டுறோம் வீடியோவில், ப்ரீவியஸ் வீடியோவில் நீங்கள் பார்க்கலாம். While the milk is heating up, I'm going to show you guys something here. How to set up the rice.
This is really great. We got this from Temu.
So this is the pantry. I have a rice here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the, this is the jasmine rice we use. So I filled up the rice, as you can see here. I know it took a long time, but I filled up. So here, my wife said, we got it from Temu. So what I'm going to do every time, instead of measuring, so I'm going to put it here, make it a 1 cup. So you take 1 cup. So this is a new rice cooker I got. Here you can use like a vegetables. You can steam vegetables here. So this is the pot I was talking about, right?
This is the first time using the pot.
Yeah, this is a brand new. You guys can see. This is called Tiger from Japan. So what I was saying, so you measure it, like put it here and wash it, and you can cook the rice, right? So it's just an easy
process.
Yeah, easy process. So this is the rice here. I'm gonna put it here. So I'm just gonna mix it up here. Keep mixing it up. I don't want it to burn.
So how many minutes it has to be cooked?
I mean, milk is gonna boil. It's gonna come outside. So I'm gonna keep it like that, baby. Look.
Okay.
So I'm gonna create like that.
Wow. Oh, you remind me of back home.
Yeah, it's gonna be like bubbles and it comes outside. So make sure, So that's the time I'm gonna turn off. I'm gonna mix up the 1 cup of yogurt and with the milk. It have to be a little bit cold or no, little bit warm. So otherwise, you cannot make yogurt. So the temperature is the main. I don't use a thermometer, so I'm just gonna use
You
it.
already know what you're doing.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is the perfect time. Look, it's boiling. You see the boiling?
Yeah, right
Here.
here.
So when I leave it, it's gonna come outside. I leave the pot here. I know it's a sink, so I'm gonna leave this one here. So I'm transferring to the pot, but it's gonna cool down. I'll wait until it is cool down. So I have a yogurt. This is I got from Greek yogurt, plain non-fat yogurt. So I'll put it here. This one here. Hope it's not leaking. I don't think it's gonna leak, right?
No, I don't think so.
I wanted to do it in the clay pot.
So that way you can
Yeah, it's like more authentic, Back home they do in the clay pot. It gives more, I don't know if it's a flavor,
tasty.
the taste, but you can even keep it in the same pot.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you see they're still smoking. So let it sit down for, I will say, warm. I don't know the temperature, like I say, some people say it's like 110, 100, 115.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot, right?
You can tell that it's gonna take forever to cool down.
Oh, it's hot.
All right, so we're gonna give it up a couple more hours.
Let it first get warm. Get like warm temperature. So then I can start the process. I'll show you guys. Okay. All right, guys. So it's ready after it's warm. I feel it already. So let me get yogurt. This is a 1 cup measurement. So what I'm going to do, I'm just taking this much yogurt right here. Okay, this enough. You don't have to put this much, but I'm putting this much. So I feel it already. It's a little bit warm. Okay, here I create the foam. In the morning, it's gonna be good. So already I put yogurt a little bit. You guys can see it. I mixed it up. So you see how frothy. You see, I leave it like that. So my yogurt is going to be more thicker. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to leave it here. So tomorrow morning, it's going to create a yogurt. So tomorrow morning, I will show you guys. So stay tuned for the result. தயிர் வந்து ஊற போட்டாச்சு. நாளைக்கு வந்து ரிசல்ட் பார்ப்போம். நீ ஏதாவது சொல்ற விரும்புறியா எல்லாத்துக்கும்? சொல்லு. நீ சொல்லு.
So
my wife is tired. Like you guys can see, it's 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
I'm sleepy. I'm tired.
I think in the morning, it's not like exactly morning is going to be ready. I think it's going to be like
a little bit late.
Yeah, a little bit late.
After dropping the kid to school.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll go ahead and share that result with you guys. I mean, I'm learning so much and I'm still learning every single day. Hi, good morning. So we are next day this morning. We already dropped the kid to school and I'm so excited to see the result, how it's going to look so far.
So how do you say in Tamil again? Do you remember?
No.
Oh my God.
Tamil. Tamil is one of the hardest language. If you agree with me, please leave a comment down below.
And also it's the oldest language.
It's so hard. Every time I learn Tamil, it goes from here and it disappears. Anyway.
Alright guys, yeah, so we just sent our kids to school. Now the yogurt is ready. I'll show you guys in close up. I just want to introduce before we show you guys. So I can show you the front.
This is how it looks really.
Shake it.
I'm shaking it. Look at
Oh, look at this.
It's stark contrast.
Wait. I don't want to put the spoon.
So here's, let me try. Ooh.
Wow, look how thick it is, guys. Ooh, it's hard to take it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I messed it up. It's okay. Look.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. So,
yeah. The yogurt, I hope it's not sour.
Wow, this is good. Wow, this is
So good, delicious.
And it's so cheap too. 1 gallon is equal to, I don't know how many yogurt can come out of that.
Yeah, you can make like what? It's a lot.
That's a lot.
Like 1 gallon. 1 gallon, of course, is gonna make 1 gallon of yogurt.
1 gallon of beer. Oh my goodness, this is really great. I'm learning again.
Yeah, you can make smoothie. You can put in the yogurt. Look, this is what I do. This is my breakfast. I know it's a lot, but so this is a yogurt. I put mixed berries and some honey and put some bananas. How is it?
Really, really good. Great breakfast.
Healthy. You can make biryani. You can make.
Oh yeah, you can make biryani with that one too.
You put a little bit for the sourness, yeah.
Oh wow.
You can make raita, you can make a lot of stuff. Thai rice, yogurt rice, all kind of stuff, guys. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, you go and
thumbs up
and subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
And we will see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.